I play piano. And when I first learned, the way that my teacher helped me read the notes is she would color them. And so like C would be red and D would be orange. And there are 7 sort of white keys on the piano, and they would correspond to the 7 colors of the rainbow. And so when I play the piano, I mentally associate C with like yellow or red, because there's this like octave scale. You can imagine a color wheel, and you could almost make the argument that that's actually a more intuitive way to look at pitches.
This is just a really interesting space to play with, because I think a lot of good interface design is trying to recognize these ephemeral truths and then put them into a mechanism that can become the new scaffolding on which we build our next set of interfaces.
Right. One of the more fundamental reasons for my excitement about doing interface work on top of language models is that language models give us like industrial scale machine to mine for scientific understanding of language in a very different way than how linguistics is traditionally operated, which is a lot more anthropological. A basic example of something they reveal is relationship between how different languages say the same thing, right? If you train a multilingual model, there's going to be some representation in the model's internal latent space that unifies how different languages say the same thing. And maybe that gives us some insight about translation or about different languages that helps us invent some new way of writing documents. All of this is very abstract, but I think it's like early in the field and it's really exciting.